students, and first of all today I am going to teach you very important chapter, and the chapter name is the adjective. Adjective is a very important things in English grammar. Whenever we to say any more things, it's also required that I have a beautiful pen. So beautiful is the adjective. So now firstly I want to say then how to define if someone asks you what is adjective and then what's the answer. So adjective is a word which shows merits and demerits of noun and pronoun. It is called adjective. Example: good, bad, short, etc. So and so. So now you can see that what is adjective. So adjective is a word. Dear students, what is adjective? So adjective is a word which shows the merits and demerits of noun and pronoun. Are you understand? Adjective, now listen again. Adjective is a word which shows merits and demerits of noun and pronoun. It is called adjective. That's all. And now how many kinds of adjective? How many kinds of adjective? How many kinds of adjective? Mostly, just now I omitted. Just now wait only. Mostly there are four kinds of adjective. Mostly, number one, adjective of quality. Adjective of quality. Second, adjective of quantity. Adjective of quantity. Adjective of manners. Number third, adjective of manners. Adjective of manners. Or last one, adjective of number. Adjective of number. So dear students, now I am going to repeat it again. What is question? What is adjective? The chapter is the English grammar, and today according to our timetable, so that's why today I am going to teach you adjective. What is adjective? Adjective is a word which shows the merits and demerits of noun and pronoun. Adjective is a word which shows merits and demerits of noun and pronoun. Any problems? And how many kinds of adjective? The question arises, how many kinds of adjective? Now there are four kinds of adjectives. These are adjective of quality. Quality, good, bad, bad, etc. as you like. An adjective of quantity. How much? 1, 2, 3, 2 kilo, 4, 5 kilo. Adjective of quantity. Third one, adjective of manners and adjective of numbers. So this is the 4 kinds of the adjective. But some places we can see another 3 forms of another 3 forms of adjective. Now tell me which one? It's very simple question. Number 1, the positive. It is not the degree. It is also known as degree. So 3 forms of degree. We can say the 3 forms of degree. 3 forms of degree. Number 1, positive. 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 Second is called comparative. And third is called superlative. Superlative. So this is called the description of the degree. So what is degree? And some place, the first define, I told you, what is the adjective. According to first definition, adjective is the word which shows the merits and demerits of noun and pronoun. And under it, there are 4 kinds of the adjective. And these are called the adjective of quality, adjective of quantity, adjective of manners, or adjective of numbers. But some places, we also can read the 3 forms of the adjective also. So which one? That is called, the first is called, and it is also known as the degree. 3 forms of degree, as you know that, the positive, comparative and superlative. Just now I give an example. Now here good, bad, tall. So now you can see good, better, best. Good, better, B-E-T-T-E-R, better and best. Second is bad, worse, W-O-R-S-E. And the superlative worst, W-R-S-T. And now the tallest. So this is the 3 forms of the adjective. In positive, we have write the first form of the adjective. In the positive adjective, we have write the first form, and that is comparative. Comparative have to compare. Comparative have to compare between two. Example, Mohan is better than Sohan. Mohan is better than Sohan. And second is June is hotter than. June is hotter than September. So that is now Seta is taller than Gita. This is called the comparative. And superlative, one of the best. And now June is the hottest month of the year. Just now you can see here positive, comparative and superlative. Mohan is a tall boy. Mohan is a tall boy. It is called positive. Positive. Or if we write Mohan is taller than. Mohan is taller than Sohan. Mohan is taller than Sohan. You can see here the comparison that two boys are here, Mohan and Sohan. Mohan and Sohan are the name of two boys, and the adjective in fact the tall. To hear the comparison, who is taller than? So Mohan is taller than Sohan. It comes in comparative degree. It is called the comparative degree. Or if we write here, Mohan is the tallest boy. Mohan is the tallest boy in the class. Here, so now how we have to change the positive to comparative and also the superlative? It's very simple. We have to identify in comparative degree. Identification of comparative and superlative degree and superlative degree. This is question. How we have to identify, कैसे हम लोग पहचानेंगे, कैसे, how we have to identify between the comparative and superlative. Very simple. You can say that in a comparative sentence, add and in adjective add er. एडजेक्टिव के अंत में क्या लगता है? ईयर. टॉलर, शॉर्टर, फास्टर, क्विकर. यानी कि एट द एंड ऑफ द एडजेक्टिव आप प्लस ईयर. नाउ वन एडजेक्टिव इज हियर, दैट इज कॉल्ड द एंग्री. एंग्री. So that's why adjective plus er, and then write adjective of tall, then also used in superlative degree. In superlative degree, before adjective adjective, use the article, then add est at the end of the एडजेक्टिव के अंत में हम लोग EST जोड़ते हैं. जैसे गुड का होता है गुड, बेटर, बेस्ट, टॉल, टॉलर, टॉलेस्ट, शॉर्ट, शॉर्टर, शॉर्टेस्ट, स्वीट, स्वीटेस्ट, स्वीटेस्ट. So that's why, and now you have tell me truly, have you understand yes or not? Adjective related to two questions, the adjective and the degree. In the basically, the adjective, what is adjective? In basic way, the adjective is a word which shows the merits and demerits of noun and pronoun. It is called the adjective. It's very simple. And later on, how many kinds of the adjective? It's also very simple. There are 4 kinds of the adjective, and these are called adjective of quality, adjective of quantity, adjective of manners, and adjective of number. No problem at all? And I hope you have no any problems. And now we have to discuss in some places, and we can see the 3 other forms of the adjective, and it's known as the forms of degree. It's also known as the forms of degree. Then you can tell me how many forms of the degree? So degree has the 3 forms. Which one? Positive, comparative, and superlative. Positive is the first form, and the comparative. Comparative is the word which have to compare between the two. Comparative is a word which compare between two, and it shows that and superlative is one of the best. Ganga is the holiest river. Ganga is the holiest river. Ganga सबसे महान नदी है. And Mohan is the best boy, and there no any comparison Mohan between any others. And if we say Sheila is taller than Geeta. If the another sentence I can say Sita is most beautiful girl. So no any comparison between Sheila. So that's why, and I'm going to write there's some questions, and you will try to do at the home. And now you can see here positive, comparative, relative, and third one superlative. Superlative. Dear students, and now you have to write this one very simple, and I think the student of class 6 and 7 have no problem at all. And just now in vocal, I will do it. The good, better, best. Good, better, best. Bad, worse, worst. Short, shorter, shortest. Tall, taller, tallest. Honest, more honest, most honest. Pretty, prettier, prettiest. beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful. Ugly, uglier, ugliest. Dangerous, more dangerous, most dangerous. And I think you have to understood, or if any problems will arise, then I will do it again. So that's why, with good wishes, thank you. Have a nice day.